Hey guys, this is Mike from Awesome Tech Views here. I'll be doing an unboxing of the HoverCam T3 camera. This is the document scanner. This is the next generation scanning and visual presentation solution. This has email, instant scan. You can hook it up to a projector. It works great under low light because it has built-in LEDs. It records video and it's eco-friendly. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Got the two tabs right here. Just slide this open, and here on top we've got a carrying case. This is a carrying case for it. You can put it right in the bag here. This is actually a very nice felt-like material here on the outside, and you've got the HoverCam logo right there. Also, on top we've got a quick guide on how to use it. And I'm going to take the top off. Let's go ahead and set this aside. It comes with a USB to FireWire. The FireWire plugs right into the camera itself, and then the USB into either your projector or your computer. And it also comes with let's get the box out of here. Comes with a mat to correctly align all your documents for scanning purposes. So this mat is great. And then the camera itself here. It's rather neat actually. It's very stylish. It's smaller so it can fit in briefcases. To open it, you extend the camera here, you extend this, you'll hear a click, and then let's see if I can do this, and then the camera pops out here like that, and then you can see this is the bottom side. You've got the camera here and your LED lights, and it also has a built-in microphone and your zoom dial, not zoom but focus dial, which you can lock or unlock. So this has just been a quick unboxing. To retract it back, you just push this button here, and then you can slide it right back down in. And then if you want to go somewhere, you can just pop this sucker back right in the case. Use the tie wrap here, and you're good to go. I will be doing a review on this shortly. A special shout out to HoverCam for sending this out to us. We will have the link in the description for HoverCam and to this product directly. Again, this has been a quick unboxing of the T3 document camera. Don't forget to subscribe and check back every Friday for a new giveaway. Also follow me on Twitter so you can stay up to date with all those giveaways and more reviews and unboxings to come. So stay tuned, I'll have a review on this shortly, and again, thank you to HoverCam for sending this out to us for review.